Today I'm going to be looking at the Sony shotgun mic. I particularly bought this Sony brand of microphones because they'll mount onto the Sony and you don't have to worry about anything. It's got a digital connection, and I thought that would be nice, make my recording easier. Right now you're listening to ECM-g1. This one is a little bright for my taste. I thought I'd try the step up and see if there's a difference. Right now we're listening to the ECM-g1. I'm going to unbox this and then we'll listen to it. Manuals, warranty. This is a wind muffle. It's supposed to take care of the wind. This is flexible. There are the microphones. It's an odd design, but it's nice because it's not very big. And then you've got your controls right here. Digital, analog. You got it capture right in front of you. This way it'll capture half a circle, and this way a whole circle around you. Attenuation. You've got the 0 dB, 10 dB, 20 dB. Filter, NC, LC off. Audio level, 0 through 10, and automatic audio level. So that'll be nice. Okay, flip it up to the digital. And let's see, this is screwed on, and I imagine this is the audio out. Oh, it's got an older USB mini. And I imagine that's the output. But the good thing with the Sony, you see the connectors, and that way you got a digital connection. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and swap these out, and then we can hear there's a difference. You're hearing the new microphone right now. I definitely would recommend both of these. If you're using a Sony camera, this is the way to go. Make your job so much easier, just depending on what sound you prefer. So take care. Have a great day. I will see you next week.